All right, welcome to this exciting project. In this project, we're going to build one robust application where we're going to extract the data live from the internet. And in this case, I'm doing it for Berlin, but you can do it for any city or any country at all. All right, after I take you through step by step, you can do it for any country, for any city, or for any region or continent at all. All right, so here what we're going to do is that we're going to build a dashboard for COVID-19. Okay, we're going to build this one for Berlin city, but you can build it for your own city, for your own country or for your own region, right? Whatever you want to do with it after that, right? You can do it. So we're going to build a robust and standard dashboard over here, right? As you can see, right, with all those reports coming in. Okay, we're going to have all of them over here, right? And we're going to even make it more flexible by selecting different regions, right? So in your own country, you can select as many regions as you want, and then you compare how the COVID cases are going. Okay, you can just do it like that. You can see how robust we are getting the data. Okay, we are extracting the data. This one is live, so whatever your situation is right now, you can see it right now. Okay, you can see all the report and all the data right here. Okay, you can see everything right here. So that's basically what we're going to do. We're going to build this one right from the scratch. Okay, you even have the flexibility to choose between the number of days that you want to see. Okay, between the number of days. So now you see this one is 145 days. Okay, within 145 days, this is the data that we have. Okay, this is the data that we have, right? Very robust and very professional over here, right? So we're going to see this one step by step. I'm going to take you through so that you can see it. In fact, you can even change the plotting styles and everything just with one click. Okay, you see how the plotting styles have changed now. Okay, see how the plotting styles have changed. Okay, so you can just do it the way that you want. Okay, you can also change the background if you want, change the color and everything, right? Change it, and then you see that you have a different presentation altogether. Okay, you have a different presentations altogether, right? So I mean, this is very robust and very much professional over here, right? And I'm going to take you through step by step so that you get to know how to do it, right? You're going to go through creating it right from the scratch, opening a new PyCharm, right? And then I'll show you how to do it. Okay, I'll show you how to do it. You can plot it for all the cities at once. Okay, so maybe if I take all these things out and then leave only all the cities in, say, Berlin. So in your own city, you can do it for them, right? So you can see how it is, right? Overall trend, you can also see the overall trend. Okay, or just compare it with some other states or some other cities, right? Or you can do it from country to country, compare them like that. Okay, you can do it like that too. Okay, so it's very much professional and very much robust over here, which we are going to do. And this data is live data, so you can actually have the data right there. Okay, as you are doing it, you're going to have the data right there. Okay, I'm going to show you how to do this thing right from the scratch. And you're going to add this one to your GitHub portfolio, which will show the recruiters that yes, you have done something which is worth looking at. Okay, so let's get started and I'll take you through.